Well, I'm Donna. I am one of the instructors here on the cruise with Stitchin Heaven today, or this week actually, and we're having a great time.
My name is Sherry Noel, and I am a pattern designer and an instructor with Stitchin Heaven Cruises.
My name is Amanda Christensen, and this is my husband.
Mark Christensen.
I'm Julia, and I am from South Florida.
I am Jason. I'm also from South Florida.
Carrie Carota. Linda Hodges.
I'd actually have to think about it. It is my
This is my 8th cruise with Stitchin Heaven. They're a blast. I wouldn't keep coming back if they weren't.
So I have done more than one Stitchin Heaven cruise, and I have another one planned with Stitchin Heaven for next year.
ninth, 8th or 9th, I think, was Stitchin Heaven. And Mark, I think,
Is this 4?
2 long arms.
Never. First time. I cruise. This is my 6th cruise, but never on Royal Caribbean.
Do you like Royal Caribbean?
I love Royal Caribbean.
This is my 5th cruise with Stitchin Heaven, and I actually am just signing up for my 6th right now.
No,
I think this is your 6th.
or maybe 8th, because if you did 9,
Yeah.
you did one more than me.
9 for me, 8 for him. We figured it out.
I get the credits.
Well, I made my first quilt when I was 20, right?
Somewhere around there.
And I'm 50 now, so it's been a while that I've been.
And he hasn't been quilting.
I have quilted exactly 0.
I learned how to quilt when I was 10 from my grandmother. I've done it kind of sporadically as I grew up, and I really got into it hardcore about 2016, 2017. And he was a great
Oh, that's confidential.
he was a great supporter and would come down and chat with me and learn. And he started quilting
A couple years ago or something like that.
last summer.
Yep.
Yeah, last summer. And now I can't remember how many quilts he's made in the last year.
I've been quilting since 1975, so I've been quilting for 49 years. I've been sewing since I was 3, so that's 66 years I've been sewing. It's a passion in my life. It's taken me so many fun places. Quilting took me to the Berlin Wall the week after I came down, so all kinds of memories.
It's like a quilt retreat, but you get the fun of the cruise as well.
This is a perfect retreat with cruising because you quilt when you want to, you eat when you want to, you don't have to clean up. I love stitching on Berninas. I originally chose to do a Stitchin Heaven cruise versus some other shops that I'd seen out there because they use Berninas, and that's what I sew on at home.
We were cruisers before,
Yeah.
and this just tops it.
Yeah, I mean, we're on this cruise specifically because we're meeting up with another
With other quilters, yeah.
Stitchin Heaven couple
That you met.
that we met on
Mhm.
2. We've been on now. This is our
This is
third
our
cruise
third
together.
cruise with them. Yeah.
On this cruise, we're traveling with another couple that I met on my first cruise. And we actually have a cruise with them in next August to Alaska. And
We've met a few-
surprise, another couple that we met on a cruise, they're here at our table. That was unintentional, but it was so exciting.
Friends through
Yeah.
Stitchin Heaven.
Yeah, it was really exciting last night. I walked in, I was like, oh, I know you.
And to confirm it, then you turn around and
Yeah, her husband was right there too. So
he's
it
sewing
was
with
fun.
her as well. So
Oh gosh, I think finishing the flimsy at the end of the trip, where everybody's like, "Oh, I did it." That's probably the best part. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite memory?
I enjoy doing well on the gambling tables. Nothing about quilting per se.
You went gambling with one of the husbands another time.
Yeah, I went gambling. That was kind of a fun. We went to play poker together, and that was a lot of fun. So it's nice to meet people and be able to do things on this.
Right, because he wasn't quilting either.
Correct.
Yeah.
Well, I would say one of my fondest memories might actually be from this cruise because there are a couple of students who have made some of my designs in the past and surprised me by sharing them with me. So, one of the things I love just as a designer is when people share their finished projects and maybe who they're making it for and the story behind it, why they chose it. So I would say it's probably the people and the stories they share.
I liked dinner last night. Meeting in our table, we had all the quilt ladies and finding out where they're from and what their interests are and same kind of thing. How long they quilted.
For me, the cabin was bigger than I thought. Thought we'd be all scrunched, but the cabin was great.
Yeah.
And then the food, just trying different foods is wonderful.
My favorite memory on a quilting cruise. I have to pick something. One thing.
I like Nick's questions better. They're easier.
That, without a doubt, it was a number of years ago. There was a woman from Britain who came in. She came in a little bit late to class, and she was nervous and shaking and quivering. And she sat down, and I could tell she was just worried sick. And so I like to start my classes by asking everybody their name, where they're from, and how long they've been quilting. And so we got around to her, and I don't remember her name, so we'll just call her Mary. But she said, "My name is Mary, and I'm from the UK, and I've never sewn a thing in my life." And she was so terrified. But by the end of the cruise, she had 3 new quilts, and she had a ton of new friends, and she was just so happy. She was there because she was a vicar, and her husband had died the year before, and she'd fallen into a depression. And her friends had talked her into doing something outside her box. And so they said you should go on a quilting cruise. And it turned out to be just the right thing for her because she left there in a whole different state of mind. I still get goosebumps when I think about it. It was just such a wonderful experience.
My favorite time on a quilting cruise is probably the first actual full-time quilting cruise that you went on with me. His first cruise was a long arm cruise. We had a great time. But his first full-time quilting cruise was when we went to Alaska.
Yep.
And the conference centers for Alaska, those ships, are just awesome. Here, you're kind of in the basement, which is fine. But on the Alaskan ships, the back of the room is all windows. And you're on like deck 10, 12, 13, something like that. And you're quilting.
Yeah, a whale just went by.
Yeah, somebody else in the room will yell, "There's a whale!"
Yeah.
All stitching stops. And everybody crowds the windows. It's so fun. Yes.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool memories.
No. Is that your favorite memory too? Or
I'll accept that.
are you all excited about hitting the zip line? Or
Oh, give it up, Willie.
Yeah. We're going to do it. I'm going to do it. She's going to do it.
Let's go!
I'm definitely going to do the zip line. I'm going to be the cool grandma.